with me that the police is always doing a great job, but especially in today's day and age, their duties and roles have increased. The pressure on them is far more. And the fact that we can sleep peacefully in our homes is thanks to these men and women who do so much to protect our city and our country. So, sir, a humble salute from all of us for the police force. I would like to remind everyone here today of our theme of the year. The theme of the year is Think Global and Act Local. And I am very proud to say that our management, the CEO Mr. Jesus Lal and our director Ms. Pinky Pujara have taken this Swachhata Abhiyan very seriously, and we wish to begin with our school. So there is a program which is planned where we are going to separate the dry and the wet garbage. So in this process, we are training students to do the same, right? We are setting an example that this is how we should be doing so that we can reduce the load on the BMC. Because let's face it, the BMC alone cannot do this task. It needs all of us citizens to get involved. And I think I am truly grateful that our management has taken this step forward. We will be letting you know what we are going to do in the school, and I would also like to say that we would be very happy if you also follow the same initiative in your homes. Of course, today is the field day, and I don't want to bore you with a long speech. I only want to say we are really happy to be here today with all the little children here. Hello, children. Okay, they are waiting to perform for their moms and dads, and it's a very special day because we know you are also going to be part of it. You're going to be running and jumping and doing some stuff. So I think it's wonderful for the whole family to be involved in something outdoor. Because again, in cities we find these days people are not doing any outdoor activities. So I'm so happy our school is getting you involved in that. I would like to end by thanking Ms. Ravinda Pereira, our head of the preschool section. You're doing a wonderful job, and we have a great bunch of teachers and support staff, and they are all doing beautifully well in the preschool section. So we are really happy to celebrate this day, and let's begin the show. Thank you very much.